how to make your home cozy and inviting. Hi, my name is Kapil and these are the top ways to make your home cozy and inviting. Your entrance is the first thing that is going to be noticed by your guests, so spend some extra time decorating your entrance. Add some lighting, art, or an outdoor decoration piece that will draw your guests to your home. A welcome sign or a doormat is always a nice accent piece that gives your guest a warm invitation. Find some nice quality throw blankets that coordinate with your living area and bedroom. A nice throw blanket on the living room couch encourages guests to make themselves feel right at home. You can even pick out your most stylish throws and find a nice woven basket or blanket ladder to put them on display that invites your guests to grab a blanket and stay a while. Light, vibrant paint colors can make any room look inviting, warm, and bright. Dark colors tend to make a room feel smaller and don't have a very homey appeal. If you want to know more ways to make your home cozy and inviting, watch our next video.